Hello dear fans. What plants release oxygen at night? Spathiphyllum not only pleases the eye with beautiful, noble flowers, but also absorbs harmful substances from the air, saturating it with oxygen even at night. This plant is suitable for absolutely any person, and being in the bedroom, it provides a sound and healthy sleep. Instructions. Step 1. Chlorophytum perfectly moisturizes the air in the room and cleans it from harmful substances, poisons, as well as microorganisms and bacteria. This is one of the most unpretentious indoor plants that complements the decor of any apartment and benefits its residents. For adult flowers, purify the air in a 10 square m by 70 to 80%. Step 2. Aloe is widely used in folk medicine for its medicinal properties. In addition, it reduces the level of harmful substances, including chipboard emitted from furniture, by 90%. At night, this plant absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. Step 3. Kalanchoe is an unpretentious houseplant. Only water and bright sunlight are needed for its growth and flowering. The scent of this flower helps relieve depression and also oxygenates the air day and night. Step 4. Begonia, especially royal begonia, is a symbol of material well-being. Indoors, begonia neutralizes harmful substances and microbes. Its aroma improves well-being, so the bedroom of the elderly is perfect for this flower. Step 5. Geranium improves mood, relieves internal stress, relieves depression, and also saturates the air with oxygen and ozone. Thanks to such valuable properties, this flower is widespread in apartments and offices. Step 6. Sansevieria, or mother-in-law's tongue, is ideal for both the bedroom and any other enclosed space. Several of these plants in a room provide clean, oxygenated air day and night. Step 7. The cactus is perfect for rooms with electromagnetic devices. The longer the cactus needles, the more efficiently it neutralizes ionization and absorbs radiation. The cactus is an unpretentious plant, but it needs more light for better growth and efficiency. Step 8. Laurel is an ideal plant for a child's bedroom to relieve insomnia and promote healthy, sound sleep. This flower relieves headaches and improves mood. Step 9. Lavender has always been a symbol of restful and healthy sleep, but it is not widely distributed in potted plants. Thanks for watching.